What's up, y'all? This is Duane, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be doing my sister's makeup for her newborn photo shoot. Yes, child, belly mama in my chair. So we're going to start with some Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I'm priming her face with this as I prime my own face. It looks like I'm putting it on pretty rough, but I didn't think I was putting it on that rough until I looked at it right now, and I'm sorry. And then we're going to finish it up with some Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And just like move that in. We fast forwarding it because it's the same step. We're just going to blend all of that in together. Now I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Chestnut to carve out the underneath of her eyebrows. Because as you can see, eyebrows do not run in my family. So we got to create hers from scratch. Like at least I got a little hair. She don't got no hair. I mean, she got like 5 hairs, whereas I got like 15 hairs. So it's really not that much different, but you know. We ain't got no eyebrows. Anyway, so I'm using the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen to fill her in. Y'all know that this is my new favorite brow product, and it's so quick and easy. So now I'm going to use some of her concealer, foundation, to carve out the top of her brows because literally, guys, we're building a brow from scratch. Alright, so this is the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. We're going to use that as eyeshadow primer. And then just blend that in with this big dense brush. We're doing this for her newborn photo shoot, but then like we found out that the photographer canceled, so we just kept doing it. I decided to try something that would be easy for her to replicate when it was rescheduled.
Outside of obviously
having
the best quarterback in the game,
brand new,
and a lot of bright
Queen of Hearts. I bought this one
on the offensive side of the football, it just speaks to the mentality. Like, let's go win. How many times
last year when we won the cruise.
or saved in her family don't preserve.
So yeah, that's me fussing with her because I bought this palette for her for Christmas and she had not opened it yet. I'm using it on her for the first time since I bought it. We're going to do a 1 to 3 eyeshadow look. So we're going in with Princess first and we're going to put that all over the lid. If you don't know what my 1 to 3 eyeshadow videos are, you need to go follow me on Instagram because you are missing out, okay? So we're putting Princess down and then we are blending up into the brow bone. Next we're going in with Ladyship and we're going to put that all over the base of the lid and blend it up into the crease. Finally, we're going in with Royal Highness and we're going to put that all over the lid. We're just going to splash that color down and it's just like a nice little pinky, champagne-y, goldy shimmer. And then we're going to take the brush that we put the other 2 colors down on and we're not going to add any more pigment to them, but we're going to use that to blend out the harsh lines so that you have a nice looking eyeshadow look with only 3 shades. That's it. So now we're going in with some NARS concealer in the shade Amande to cover up her dark spots. And then we're going to go in with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation in number 470, I believe. It's either 460 or 470. I know me and her are almost the same complexion. It looks a little bit lighter than her, but as you can tell, it matches her neck and her chest. So that's why we went with this one. Because her face is a little bit darker than her neck. So everything is just going to blend really nicely once we're finished. If you look closely, you can see her trying to sneak a peek at what it looks like on the computer. She can't see because she don't got her glasses on. But she's still trying to look at her. Alright, so now we're going in with the Pat McGrath concealer in the shade Medium 20. We're also going to go in with a little bit of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade not chestnut, caramel, just to brighten it up a little bit. And then I'm fast forwarding through all this blending because it takes a long time to blend out concealer. So we're just going to speed this part up. I know you don't want to sit through 10 minutes of blending. Alright, now we're going to set that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey. Doing her under eye is fun because she doesn't have any creases, so that was really fun. She looks a little washed out now, but that's because we haven't contoured or bronzed, which we're about to do now with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. And also, I have really bright panel lights on her, so everything looks a little bit washed out. I could blend Y'all. It looks really good in person. It looked really good in person because, you know, this happened already. So we're just going to bronze that face, bring some warmth back to it with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is also sped up because it took not a long time, but long enough. And then we're going to go in with the Patrick Ta blush, the double take cream blush. But I'm only using the powder part for this. Alright, now I believe what we're going to do is go under her, under her lower lash line with Ladyship, and we're just going to smudge Ladyship all under there so that we can finish the eye look. And if you put too much, you can go and blend it out with a fluffy brush that's dry and that doesn't have any pigment on it. So after that, we are going to line it and put some mascara on and then pop on the Titan lashes. She bought them. She was like the second person to buy my lashes, but she's my biggest supporter. And so I wanted to do something nice for her, take her maternity / newborn pictures because the baby came too early. But, you know, that didn't work out. Anyway, I should have clipped the ends of these lashes. They were too long for her eyes. But I forgot until I put them on, and we was just like, all right, we're just going to go with it. So they're going to look wonky because they're too long. So if your lashes look like that, make sure you clip on the outside. We're going to go in with the Natasha Denona Glow Gold for highlighter. I'm going to put that all on the high points of her face. Cheekbones, bridge of nose, tip of nose, chin, cupid's bow, etc. And then we're going to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics Coquette Liner. Top that off with Taffy Tease by Fenty Beauty and then put on Ruby Milk, which has been my favorite gloss combination lately. I really, really like it. All right, we're gonna spray that down with some Milk Hydro Grip Spray. Throw on the wig, and this is my finished look. Look at my sissy, guys. Look at Bailey Mama looking all cute. I did her makeup before for her wedding, and it's really nice to see my growth since then. Like I said, it looks a little weird because of the lighting, but I'm going to put some pictures up at the end so that you guys can see I really actually did do the thing, okay? There you go. Yay, look at Kelli. Okay, Bailey Mama looking cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can know exactly when I upload by being a part of the Glam Fam. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video.